Hello, all you wonderful children. Come, it's time for another of Papa Peppy's Peppy Poems with my poem puppet, Little Miss Junu. And today I have a poem that is specially for all of you who love the rains. It's called Rainy Day Holiday. Wet little shoes, wet little socks, dirty mucky stains dotting pretty frocks, cozy, snuggly blankets, gushing roadside drains. Love the rainy season, love the heavy rains. Snacks, sweets, treats, Mommy makes them all. How do I stuff them all in? My tummy's just too small. Loved my rainy day holiday. I think the rains are cool. But I hope it's sunny tomorrow, 'cause I love to go to school. I hope you liked that poem, and I have many more. So, like our poems, children, share our poems. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Joy for Kids.